everyone, today's video is going to be a mini makeover on a small pocket of our living space. Our rooms are very white, so I wanted to give it a little bit of warmth by adding a few decorations and some shelves. It's super quick, super easy, so if you want to see how I achieve this look for our living space, then please stay tuned.
Set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. I'll make sure that I list all the items that I displayed in the description bar below. If you'd like to see more DIYs or mini makeovers, then please let me know. I'll be happy to film those for you. But for now, that's it from Bobby and myself, and we'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!